Is the Add Yours template not working on your Instagram? Follow these steps. Fix 1. Update the Instagram app. Open the App Store on iPhone or Play Store on Android. Search for Instagram. If an update is available, tap Update. Wait for the update to finish, and reopen Instagram. Outdated apps are the most common reason this feature doesn't work. Fix 2. Clear Instagram cache. For iPhone users, open Settings. Tap General, and then iPhone Storage. Now, scroll and select Instagram, and tap Offload App. After offloading, tap Reinstall App. This clears cache and corrupted files without deleting your data. For Android users, open Settings. Go to Apps, Instagram, tap Storage, tap Clear Cache. If this method doesn't work, try Fix 3. Check Account Restrictions. Open Instagram. Go to your profile. At the top right, tap the 3 lines. Scroll down to More Info and Support. Tap Account Status. Open features you can't use. If Add Yours is restricted, it will show here. Fix 4. Report the problem to Instagram. If nothing works, report the issue directly. Go to Settings and Activity. Scroll to the bottom. Tap Help. Select Report a Problem. Tap Report Problem without shaking. Choose Include and Continue. Describe the issue clearly and submit. Instagram usually fixes feature-related bugs after reports. And that's it. For more tips and tricks, subscribe.